The Supreme Court has issued a notice to the Reserve Bank of India on the loan moratorium matter. The court was hearing a plea that seeks waiving of interest for EMIs during the 6-month moratorium period. Ashmit joins us now with more. Ashmit, what does this mean? The top court wants the RBI to consider the petitioner's demands?
Well, as of right now, the Supreme Court has said that going forward in this case will require the RBI's formal counter to this application that has been raised, and that is what is required as of this point. The petition, of course, raises the question that for people, if the RBI's intent was to give relief to borrowers, then for people who cannot repay their loans, they certainly cannot be expected to repay their the interest component as well. Of course, the way the RBI moratorium circular was structured, first earlier for the 3-month period, then even after the extension, the way it is structured, it provides for the interest burden to accumulate over the moratorium period of 6 months and then to be repaid along with the loan installments that resume after the lockdown, after the moratorium period. The petition essentially argues that this is unconstitutional, that this is violative of fundamental right to life, right to in fact carry out their business, that incomes have been hit, have been impacted severely, that in such a scenario, this is an added burden that can be dispensed with, that needs to be done away with, and that's the concern that has been raised. The Supreme Court, as of right now, has had on an earlier occasion, asked the RBI to file its reply. The RBI did not. Today, a formal notice has been issued, so the RBI will now have to come back with its reply and will have to clarify its position. The Supreme Court looking to intervene in this case where concerns over the interest component have been raised.